Umlisi okhuluma kule video ukhala ngokuthi insuku zonke imindeni eminingi ibuya ihloko zabo zibhekana nobuhlungu ngenxa ye-cancer. Utho ubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi bahlale betshelwa ukuthi i-cancer ayilapheki. Ekubeni ixazululu zikhona kodwa zifihliwe. Ubese eqhubeka ethi akakwazi ukuhlala ethule ebuka abantu befa kanti futhi zikhona ixazululu angabasiza ngazo.
Wafethu, la ngichazele mina something. I have a reason why ngihlezi ngikhuluma ngalezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo. It is because I get to look at the system and angincane ngempela indlela ezinye izinto ezike zenzeke ngayo. Kunabantu la mfethu abagulayo, abaneyinkinga serious, abantu who literally die from izifo ezinawo ama-solutions just because the ones who are profiting from wena uhambele ama-chemotherapy. Uhamba uzohambela i-chemotherapy because bona bafuna leyo mali leyo, bafuna imali. Yezo leyo nto leyo. So now, lalela lana, ngizokunikeza something about i-cancer. I-cancer, i-cancer, you cannot cure i-cancer. Bayakutreat i-cancer. Because mobabuza bona ukuthi uyakwazi ukucurisha i-cancer. No, abakwazi. Mina ngithi lento lena inayo isolution mina lento. Lalela mina-ke. Mina ngiyazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. And wena themba mina uzoba right. Let's talk about the Hunza people from northern Pakistan. The Hunza people never get cancer. They never get cancer. Not never. Do you understand what does that mean? If a whole nation of people never get cancer, a tribe of people, they never get cancer, there's something they're doing, right? So, some scientists went on to go and do some research about them and find out what they do. When the trap was first discovered, their average rate was 160 years. So, in South Africa, average age rate to 55 to 60. After that, like we already expecting what but we know good you are most likely not even going to reach 100 years. Even 90 years is too much. It's too much. With njengoba nje nisabulawa o diabetes, nibulawa o high blood pressure, yabona nje zonke o arthritis njengoba benihlephula la ko 40 years uzofika nini ku 80 years. Uzofika nini ku 80 years. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. But the Hunza people would live up to 160. And their favorite food to eat, guess what was it? It was the apricot seeds. Think about that. It was the apricot seeds. And their skin never wrinkled because they use apricot oil. They make apricot oil and they put it on their face. And it keeps their skin nice and tight. So, Utolugutumuntu is old, but they don't look that age. Similar to how Chinese look like. Yeah, but it's a very incredible thing. Yeah, but women they don't wrinkle like our women. They don't wrinkle like that. They eat apricot seeds just like we eat peanuts, and they never get cancer. They never get cancer. There was actually studies that was done about this. There was a study that was done about this. So about this guy used to cure cancer. He was the only scientist in America. The only doctor in America who used to assist abantu abane cancer ngithola. But nansi into eyenzeka lana because he wayinebhuku lakhe about leyo nto about how i-cancer ukuthi ilapha kanjani. And one of the quotes asebhukini lakhe ukuthi cancer cannot survive in a body with apricots. That eats apricot seeds, something like that in those lines. So apparently it was a way in the shops. Why seven apricot seeds? So why nama company A7 now they put the apricot seeds next to it. Guess what they did in America? The same thing about the good Dr. Sebi. They put down in Puglake, and they shut it down and they stop selling them apricot seeds. They make them difficult to at all. Because it actually works. There was a study I actually was reading, and I actually think this one, I was reading this one, it was about this Chinese guy. He came in China. The China simchazela ukuthi wayelapha kanjani yena. Wahamba esibhedlela bafuna umshanga ama chemotherapy nani wabona ukuthi lezi zinto ziyamosha. and the type of ama-drugs asebemprescribela on ayamlimaza because he was having ama-kidney failures. Nama-drugs atake ama-kidneys akhe, atake ama-liver zakhe, and all those stuffs eba nenkinga, too much complications, and he was always dizzy because of the high dosage ye-drug abeseyithatha. Because besetsheniwe ukuthi he only has a couple of months to live. They were telling him to go to a vacation or something while he still can, because there's nothing they can do about it. But was there nothing you can do about it? The guy, he prayed to God. He said, listen, God, if really you're going to save me, I'm going to write an article and talk to people about this. And he did that because now he's alive. He's still alive even today. Let me tell you what he did. The story sakhe, wathatha, yabona upopo lo sakuhlaza. Thatha upopo kuhlaza unjalo nje, awuwashe nje ngaphandle, awufake kwenye impahla engathi le mpahla lezi zokugcoba, yabo leyo nto leyo, awugcoba awucrush awenze ngola kenze ibizwa ngale nto le awublende or smoothie. Yes, enze smoothie into kanje, yabo leyo nto leyo, awugcobe afaka ama-apricot seeds phakathi. Yangithola, faka ama-apricot seeds phakathi, and I think he said he added some sea moss into kanjalo. And this guy used to drink this concoction ekuseni nantambama, like twice a day, if I'm not mistaken. And he said within a month or something like that, he went to the hospital. Methi uyobheka kuthiwa ithuma yakhe is very small. It's smaller than how it was. Yabo leyo nto leyo. Kuthiwa whatever he's doing aqhubeka yenza. Wahamba wayenza then 3 weeks later mebuya ithuma yakhe isiphelile. Mebuza udokotela ukuthi is this a possible, how is this possible? The doctor says this is a miracle, but yena uthi it was not a miracle because uyazi ukuthi wenzeni. Yabo leyo nto, uyazi ukuthi wenzeni. And what uyazama ukuyishare le information there with the medical facilities, bamvimba, bamnqabela ukuthi ayikhulume leyo nto leyo. But yena, he was a testimony of being cured of cancer. Yabo leyo nto leyo. Angazi, I think it was a stage 4 or something like that. So mina into engishoyo ngithi, if sesine evidence yabantu abalashwe into ethile and the medical facilities bayayivimba leyo knowledge, abafuna ukuthi iphume leyo nto leyo, then wena ukwazi kanjani ukuthi ukholwe bona labantu labo? Because njengamanje nibaningi nikhathele ukudla amaphilisi. Labantu bahlula ukuqeda into esimple as i-diabetes. Bahlula ukuqeda into esimple as i-diabetes. Isifo sashukela. The most simple. Umuntu azayo unqunye unyawo umuntu. Imagine nize nqunye inyawo, sekuthiwa kumele unqunye unyawo manje ngoba isifo sashukela. Mfethu, that's not necessary. uNkulunkulu uzokuphilisa as long as you understand ukuthi yini yena athi izokuphilisa. You understand? So ngizongishayela futhi enye video ngimchazele ukuthi lento leyo ungadila nayo kanjani. But lezi zinto mfethu, like asikho isifo esingalapheki. Mina ngiyanitshela asikho isifo esingalapheki. Ngisho ngaqhamuka umuntu anitshele manje athi hayi ayikho lento labantu abayikhulumayo, it's all conspiracy theory, labafana laba bawo TikTok abayikhulumayo izifo izifo ezithile nokuthi ayilapheki. Banamanga labo, banamanga, they are protecting the system. Ayikho leyo nto leyo, asikho isifo esingalapheki. You must think about it. Isifo si-create i-diet, yabona ukudla okudlayo ikona lokho kudala cancer or high blood pressure or diabetes. So if you change the diet, already your cancer is starving. Ngiyayizwa leyo nto leyo, ayikutholi ukudla okuzoyinikeza amandla. So already you are starving it. Mas udla izinto eziyi-attacker, eziyi-destroyayo, you are definitely coming out of leyo nkinga leyo. Like I think ukuthi sometimes medicine yenziwa ibe more complicated than it should be. Tina, as long as we know ukuthi onke ama-ingredients or whatever the body needs to regenerate and recover yona by itself, uNkulunkulu seyifakile laphana kulama-herbs lawo. Thina kumele sazi wona lama-herbs. Ungaze uyonqunqa unyawo sifo sashukela wena, ungayi kuleyo chemotherapy yezo, ungayi kuleyo chemotherapy. Ngiyakutshena-ke, lalela, ngiyakutshena ungayi kuleyo chemotherapy. Ngiyaxolisa-ke uma ukuthi sengishaya nabantu abadala. But-ke guys, fisela wonke mina okuhle guys, like seriously. You gotta live. Like, you gotta live. You gotta go back to your roots. Go back to how we were before they came. Ngoba bona abazange bafike nalutho enhle. Buka nje manje ayikho nje into mina engizothi kuyona ngiyabahalalisela yona. Ayikho into engizobahalalisela yona. Ain't no way. Anyway,